being with us. New tonight, we're hearing from local researchers about relationships and links to your health.
And as the holidays get closer, how can you mend a broken bond? On your side tonight, WATE 6 on your side reporter Laura Halm sitting down with an expert who looked at the data.
She joins us now live in the studio. So Laura, walk us through what they have found.
Well, it's only logical that your relationship with your spouse can be a big influence on your health. But the focus of this study was understanding that connection with your mom or dad, really anyone in your family, and how that too can create positive and negative effects.
Our family is with us forever, and it's why Dr. Patricia Roberson with a team of researchers looked at data of nearly 3,000 people over 20 years and their well-being.
People who reported having high strain in their family relationships reported more symptoms of chronic illnesses and also poor health. They felt worse.
Dr. Roberson says they found people reported worse health within a 10-year evaluation. They feel the link comes down to your stress reaction.
When your body is exposed to repeated stress over time, you have a physiological response to that stress, which increases your inflammation and makes it a lot harder for your immune system to fight off infection and disease.
So how can you resolve family conflicts?
One thing to try and start doing, especially this holiday season, is make a point to listen. Make a point to listen to try and understand rather than trying to change your family member.
Dr. Roberson says when talking, come from a place of curiosity rather than criticism and accusation.
That can really help change the dynamic of these conversations and try and lift the strain from these relationships. But people should also remember these relationships have developed over time. So even if you're trying hard to change them, be patient with yourself.
Rebuilding a relationship can be very, very difficult. Dr. Roberson says if it's too tense, try bringing in a counselor.
So building that foundation, it's not like the hard conversation comes 5 minutes later. It could come months later. And that foundation that you build of support and love and trust can also take months and years to build up.
Most importantly, she says, remember, it's never too late.
Your family members and yourself, you guys are going to make mistakes. It's not going to be perfect the first time out, but keep trying, and eventually you will get there.
Now, what's interesting, researchers say a supportive and well-maintained relationship with your loved ones creates positive influences on your health, and you just feel better. They say to focus and nurture those relationships too. Guys?
All right, Laura, thank you so much. You know, something else researchers touched on is avoiding conflict and tension at holiday gatherings when it comes to conversations on politics.
Sometimes you just have to go la la la. They say it's best though to stick to topics that everyone can relate to and just kind of keep it on an even keel.
There you go.